I'm still sat here with, by Skype, sadly, rather than me being in Norway, with Knut, who's from Bergen in Norway. And a very short question that may have, or may not have a short answer. Why did you decide to write a doctoral thesis on the concept of spirituality in 20th century Norway? Why would you do that?
I ask myself that question every day. No, it really began in my master's studies, where I wrote about how large-scale international social service sort of conceptualized religion. And what I noticed was that in later editions of this service, they began to ask the question, are you religious and or spiritual? And I began to wonder, what is this spiritual thing? Why do they include that? And I soon discovered the spiritual, not religious movement and all that stuff, and began to be aware of the term spirituality, and which is massively broadly used all over in the humanities and social sciences, but with vague definitions and fuzziness and all that stuff. So that was kind of the genesis of the idea. And I'm very interested in concepts and terms and definitions and all that stuff. And I also noticed that within the study of religion, we constantly discuss the term religion. Can it be defined? How should we define it? Also, and so on. But spirituality somehow escapes that critical discourse.
So we have this category of religion that scholars have spent generations bickering, arguing, writing about what religion is and what it isn't. Although we might not agree, there's a kind of entire body of literature about different ways of defining it, different concepts. Spirituality is, to put it, I think, mildly, a mess in that respect. And the academic use that you might see in a scholarly journal about the New Testament or about contemporary, and the popular use, there's quite a variation you found?
I suspect that no, there isn't so much difference between the popular use and academic use.
So it's a mess all over.
Suspicion, yeah. Academics seems to agree broadly that it is fuzzy and vague.
That's good.
And they continue to use it all over. But yeah. So what I asked myself then was, is it possible to sort of get the full view, a comprehensive view of a term within a certain frame?
Yeah.
Can we sort of get the overview here? So I decided to look into my own culture, Norway, and within a time frame of 100 years to sort of see what's going on, and is it possible to sort of get this overview? Is it really that vague and fuzzy?
Thank you.